Unpacking Idioms. The meaning of elbow room. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that might seem a bit puzzling at first. Elbow room. Stick around as we explore what it means, how to use it, and give you some examples to help you understand it fully. By the end, you'll be using elbow room like a native speaker. Elbow room is an idiom in English that refers to having enough space to move or work comfortably. It can be used both literally and figuratively. Literally, it means having enough physical space to not feel cramped. For example, when you're on a crowded bus and can't move your arms, you might wish for more elbow room. Figuratively, elbow room can refer to the freedom to do what you want without restrictions or to make your own choices. When someone needs elbow room in life, they are seeking more freedom or space to grow and operate. The origin of elbow room dates back to a time when personal space was a sign of comfort and status. The phrase implies the luxury of having enough space to move one's elbows without bumping into anything. It has been used in English literature for centuries and continues to be a popular expression. Now let's look at how to incorporate elbow room into a sentence. You might say, "This new apartment gives me the elbow room I need to focus on my art." The company is expanding to a larger office for a bit more elbow room. Could you scoot over a bit? I need some more elbow room here. Notice how the phrase can be used in different contexts to express the need for more space, both physical and metaphorical. It's important to remember that elbow room is not used to refer to room for the elbow specifically but rather as a metaphor for space in general. Avoid using the phrase to describe the need for space exclusively for the elbows. And that's a wrap on elbow room. Now that you understand what it means and how to use it, you've got a little more room in your English vocabulary to express yourself clearly and comfortably. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has given you the elbow room you need to enhance your English skills.